Airgunner. Just got back from the 2017 Toys That Shoot show in Findlay, Ohio, and had an incredible time. There were over 300 in attendance. The tables were sold out. Got to meet the likes of Tom Gaylord, Mr. Hollowpoint, and Tyler Patner, to name but a few. Came home with some of my own sweet deals, as well as some footage for you back home. One of those first things that I picked up, though, was a Gammo Stützen, and this is not produced anymore. Pyramid Air had it brand new in the box, left over from when they did sell it, and they brought it to the show. And I was glad they did, because I brought it home and it shoots like a dream. Also, the other item that I picked up was an FX Ranchero. Nice little pistol, had a leak in it. Contacted Airguns of Arizona and purchased a seal kit for it. Once I got it all sealed up, and now it's shooting like a dream again. The only issue I have is that right-handed pistol grip. I am a left-handed shooter, and this does nothing for me, so I am now in search for a ambidextrous carbine stock for it. If you guys have any tips on where I might find one, or how to make one, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Would love to hear your suggestions. But with that, I'm not going to hold off any longer. I'm going to roll the footage of the show itself. Didn't get quite as much as I would have liked to have gotten. I was kind of too busy wheeling and dealing, but hopefully I got enough for you to experience what the show was actually like, and hopefully entice you to get to an airgun show near you sometime. That was just enough footage to give you a little bit of a taste of what these airgun shows are all about. If you like these types of videos, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have any comments, don't be afraid to leave them down below. I'd love to hear what you have to say. And until next time, may your pellets fly straight and your trigger pull stay smooth, and we'll see you right here on the Airgun Advisor.